Morning to all, Ma'am Principal, Supervisory in Charges, Mrs. Poonam Khurana and Sonia Gill, House in Charges, and young leaders of School Council. It is our tradition to begin any important occasion with worship of God, chanting Gayatri Mantra, and as true Dievins, inspiring Devi Gan. So let us all be ready for the prayer to the Almighty.
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता ये धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय
Inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are an excellent leader. Welcome to the investiture ceremony of session 2021-22. This is a procedure of handing over authority, power, right, and dignity. Years after years, it reminds us of the trust and the confidence that we repose in our newly inducted cabinet. Students of today are the visionaries and torch bearers of tomorrow. When we develop personality, skill, and mind, we develop responsible human beings with leadership qualities. They firmly believe that every duty is holy and devotion to duty is the highest form of worship of God. Today, we are going to witness the swearing ceremony of our student senate, who are the newly elected and selected members of the school senate, officially vested with their powers and positions. An embodiment of responsibility, diligence, versatility, ability, and conduct congruent to any situation is what a leader and a winner is. Our student leaders are all set to bring positive changes. So, welcome to the investiture ceremony of the year session 2021-22.
Yeah.
achieve any dream. Please don't limit yourself. Don't live your life limited. It's not all sadness and misery. Life's a challenge, but you will succeed. Take control of how you feel in every circumstance. Work on yourself daily. Your story's far from done. The best is yet to come. To achieve, you must believe. You can live out all your dreams. Persevere, you'll make it through. What you need is all in you. When you believe, you will achieve. You can live out all your dreams. It's about time you knew the truth. You got the power all in you. You have to believe in yourself. You don't have to hide anything. You can be your true self.
Greetings to one and all. I'll take the absolute pleasure of introducing you all to the newly elected school today. But first things first, let's take a moment to appreciate our guiding person, our mentor, our principal, Tina, is an exceptional leader. Thank you now for setting high expectations for students to educate and for your kind help and support you provide along with a good learning environment. Your words and actions keep us motivated in these challenging days. Our house and council coordinate. You are the view that help us and shape us into what we are today. You're a great leader with an infectious enthusiasm. And how can to get our brilliant house charted to work hard to lead and manage the house council? Thank you for providing us with valuable knowledge and moral support that we need to be able to face our future. You all are truly valuable. Let's move on towards the student council. Starting with the 12th class council. The head boy for the year 2021-22 is Raghav Bansal and the head girl is Trishti Kamboj. They will be leading an excellent team, including members Raghav Bansal 12A, Yati Goyal 12th, Parth Jain 12th, Parth Sharma 12th, Mayank 12th, Shivam Gujral 12th, Kanika Sharma 12th, Sona Khurana 12th F, Rishika Bose 12th F, Ushara 12th F, Shramya Grover 12th F, Dhruv 12th G, Shivam Goyal 12th G, Aryan Kumar 12th G. Let me now introduce the new set of leaders, that is the Class 11 Council. It would work under the able leadership of Vice-Head Boy Tushar Hisaria and Vice-Head Girl Mehek Gupta. Council members are Ansh Sukhay 11A, Dipanshu Dojia 11A, Pranjal Arora 11B, Priyanshu Saini 11B, Ravi Sharma 11B, Yuki Rana 11B, Mehek Gupta 11D, Aishwarya Garg 11B, Rajesh Gupta 11B, Sai Saria 11B, Tejas 11B, Abhishek Ranjan Tiwari 11C, Karan Chaudhary 11C, and Shivang Gupta 11. Moving ahead, let's take a glance at the house debate. As we all know, there are 5 houses in the school, and the main function of this house system is to develop a sense of identity and belonging and celebrate achievement. It allows the students to develop skills and talents and acknowledges their success in a wide range of ways. Let's have it.
Courage House. The mission of the house is to accomplish anything. You must first have a mission, a goal, a hope, a vision. Work hard in silence and let success make the noise. The dynamic leader of Courage House is Mrs. Shilpi Mukherjee. We should be thankful that a person who has the experience of many years, she is having to monitor the Courage House. We have Elisha Chopla of 12th G as the captain and Ridhima Garg of 11th G as vice captain. Let's have a look on the prefects. Tanvi Sehdev 12th E, Yash Jindal 12th E, Harshita 12th C, Sumit Kumar 11th D, Tarit Sehdev 11th G, Anushka 11th F, Chavi Goyal 10th F, Adya 10th F, Suvijya 10th E, Turvi 9th G, Parthiv 9th F, Kanak 9th B, Divyanshi 8th G, Lavanya 8th B, Bhumi 8th E, Lakshita 7th A, Timsi 7th E, Dron Tyagi 7th B, Ahana 6th C, Vaibhavi 6th G, and Dalisha Bore 6th F.
Now it's the time for Peace House. Peace is path and power and progress. The mission of Peace House is to meet the challenges, carve a beautiful future with smiles by promoting equality, peace, and harmony all around. Peace House is under the excellent supervision of teacher in charge, Ms. Priyanka Bahuguna. The flag of Peace House has always been kept high by its very able council, and we are sure that they will do the same this year too with all the hard work and dedication. Now, I would like to introduce you all to the Peace House Council. Captain Yaki Goel, 12th A, Vice Captain Atishi Jain, 11th A. The prefects of Peace House are Nisha, 12th B, Jayesh, 12th G, Ashika, 12th D, Ritika, 11th F, Angel Sharma, 11th F, Arushi, 11th C, Kanan, 10th B, Mehul, 10th B, Vasu, 10th A, Rudra, 9th A, Paki Sidana, 9th F, Kushi Jain, 9th P, Kirti Gupta, 8th G, Bhavika Rana, 8th E, Yashvi Khaneja, 8th A, Shambhavi Shreya, 7th A, Garima Mahajan, 7th B, Mantasha Tyagi, 7th D, Arika, 6th D, Naina Bhardwaj, 6th E, and Sanvi Jain, 6th G.
So the next house is Prosperity House, designed for accomplishment, engineered for success, and endowed with seeds of greatness is the specialty of Prosperity House. Prosperity House is headed by our dynamic teacher, Ms. Monica Malik. She has been guiding the house for years with her excellent managing skills and generous nature. Now, let's have a look at the Prosperity House Council. So the council will work under the able leadership of Captain Shrishti Gupta 12th C and Vice Captain Pyanshi Goyal 11th C. Prefects are Akash Sharma 12th C, Naman Maheshwari 12th E, Priyanka 12th C, Abhishek Bajaj 11th A, Gur Pratap 11th F, Kritika Luthra 11th E, Vinayak 10th D, Nidhish 10th C, Tanishka De 10th A, Gunjan Jain 9th D, Ridhima Trivedi 9th B, Raghini 9th F, Tejas 8th E, Krishna Sharma 8th D, Sanvi 8th C, Vyakhya Garg 7th D, Elisha Bhardwaj 7th E, Garima Bajaj 7th F, Vidhi Bed 6th B, Yashvi Sahana 6th G, and Mukesh Katela 6th F.
Now it's time for Integrity House. Mission of Integrity House is to aspire to integrate the intellect and wisdom, infuse zeal and zest, instill values and talent, and thus inspire global brilliance and radiance. Their motto is clearly defined as integrated we aspire, perspire, and inspire many hearts. Integrity House is under the brilliant command of House in Charge Ms. Rashmi Bansal and the great leadership with House Captain Dipanshi 12th B and Vice Captain Madhav 11th A, along with the help, determination and coordination of the prefects including Drishti Pal 12th B, Manna Maheshwari 12th D, Pranshu Singh 12th G, Aryan Malik 11th C, Soumya Sihani 11th C, Akshita Giri 11th F, Vanshika Verma 10th D, Lavanya Sisodia 10th F, Simran Sharma 10th F, Karthike 9th B, Namit 9th B, Seerat 9th E, Darsh Jain 8th A, Ivan Babar 8th B, Shivan Singh 8th E, Navya Singh 8th E, Navya Shikant 7th A, Lisa Tanwar 7th B, Dhruv Bajaj 7th E, Chinmay Mongia 6th B, Rakshita Bajaj 6th E, and Nihit Chopra 6th E.
Now we have the Unity House. It's the house that teaches discipline, a house which emphasizes teamwork, coordination, and being united. This is the house which has achieved various milestones and performed extremely well over the years. The mission of Unity House says, individually we are a drop, but together we are an ocean. Our mission is to unite DLDAvians. We will prosper peacefully and work with courage to build integrity and unity in the character of each DAV. This year, we have Ms. Nidhi Datta as the house in charge of Unity House. We hope that the combination of your wonderful guidance and students' hard work will take Unity House to the greater heights of success. For this year, Captain of Unity House is Yakshit Goyal, 12th C, and Vice Captain Khwaish Dogra, 11th B. Now Prefects, Riya Jain, 12th D, Arushi Johari, 12th F, Vandana, 12th F, Hansika Tyagi, 11th B, Manvi, 11th B, Angel, 11th D, Megha Jain, 10th E, Siddhi Mittal, 10th E, Dhruvi Jain, 10th E, Yatharth Dhingra, 9th E, Ambika Loria, 9th F, Sana Sehdev, 9th B, Janvi Rajput, 8th F, Vanya Kapoor, 8th A, Pranav, 8th E, Vanshika, 7th B, Pratham, 7th G, Ritvik Gupta, 7th F, Yagun Khajuria, 6th G, Myra Arora, 6th G, and Divyanshi Poswal, 6th F.
And now, let's initiate the investiture ceremony with an assurance of a brighter future as the office bearers get ready to be invested. The most anxiously awaited moment has finally arrived, the oath taking ceremony. It is indeed a defining moment for the entire Senate. I would like to call upon Ma'am Principal, our fountainhead of inspiration, to administer the oath of allegiance and address the young leaders by her inspiring words. Over to you, ma'am. I request all the students to switch on their cameras but mute their mics for the oath ceremony. Few students will take the oath.
Okay. I of DLDAV Model School do hereby solemnly pledge to uphold and follow the rules and regulations set by our school. I promise to be a worthy torchbearer. Adhering to the values of honesty, perseverance, teamwork, and service before self. Congratulations to all of you. You have administered the oath And now officially you are the torch bearers of the prefectorial board. It is such a great occasion. I'm sure you must be feeling special because it is a solemn occasion for all of you young leaders. Why you think it would be a special occasion for you? Well, I feel that we, the school, believe in your qualities, have faith that you have the capability to discharge all the responsibilities which shall be entrusted to you. You have the capability, you have the confidence, you have the will to give your best. And therefore, you have all the ingredients to become leaders. Now, a prefectorial board membership is something which you carry as a badge all your life. When you grow up, when you reach my age, you will remember I was a prefect. In my school, I was a prefect. So that in itself tells so much that when you were a child, the school believed in you. When you were a child, the school knew that they could put responsibilities on your shoulders. The school knew that you are always ready to give your best. So just the word that you were a prefect when you were a child in itself speaks volumes. I'm sure all of you are going to work as a team because together we are always stronger. I think Unity House had also got this vision, their motto, that together we are an ocean and alone we are just a drop. So all of you together, such a big prefectorial board that you are, along with the council members, you are a very, very strong entity. And therefore, you can and you will make a mark. Just like everybody has been working so hard every year. Once again, this present team will be putting in honest efforts. That's most important. You must put in honest efforts for each and every endeavor of yours. And you, since you're the leaders, you will be having the rest of the school looking up to you. Therefore, you have to act as an inspiration for them. Right? So you have one more responsibility on your shoulders, that you have to inspire the rest of the school. You have to take them with you so that the school reaches even further heights. Greater heights must be achieved with every step. That is our goal. So, many, many congratulations to you, the leaders of today and tomorrow. All the very best.
Thank you, Ma'am Principal, for enlightening these young leaders. Donning the mantle of responsibility, our Senate has pledged to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities by abiding by the rules and regulations of our school. I wish them all the best for the next session. So let us all rejoice, let us savor our success, but let us also continue to aspire for more excellence, dynamic achievements. And now, I call upon the heads of the school council to address the gathering. I hope that these young leaders will uphold the values of the school and keep DLJV Model School Shalimar Bag's flag flying high while discharging their duties honestly and impartially. So coming up, Head Girl Drishti, Head Boy Raghav, Vice Head Boy Tushar, and Vice Head Girl Mehak.
Very warm greetings to one and all. I am Srishti Kamboj, the head girl of TLDAV Model School for this academic year. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Madam Principal, Tina Rajpal, our council coordinator, Mrs. Nehru, and my fellow council members for believing in me and entrusting me with this responsibility. It It would be an absolute honor for me to carry out this role and fulfill all its duties to the best of my ability. I promise to serve my school sincerely. I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school. I promise that I will respect and abide by the rules and regulations of the school and endeavor to bring laurels and glory. Thank you.
Warm greetings to everyone. First of all, I, Raghav, head boy of my prestigious school, would like to extend my thanks to my principal and the teachers who recognized my potential as a leader and gave me the opportunity to lead a hard-working team. Also, I thank all the students who trusted me and have put their faith in me. I pledge to work with utmost sincerity and dedication. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. So let's join our hands together to work with the team spirit in the day-to-day functioning of our school and the students. Let's take our school to the greater heights of success. Thank you.
Greetings to all. I have been accepted to be the vice head boy of our school. First of all, I extend my sincere thanks to the principal and teachers. As the vice head boy, I will accomplish all my duties with utmost sincerity and determination to give justice to this batch of vice head boy. I will abide by school rules and discharge my duties and responsibilities well as the council head of such a prestigious school. A team is like a tool set. Not one tool can do all the jobs, but together it can. So let's walk together because at the end of the day, keeping the school flag high is our common and main goal. Thank you.
May our learning be holistic that conjoins our body, heart, and soul. May our growth be realistic that leads us to maximum happiness. May our contribution be significant to the greater good of the society. I, Mehak Gupta, Vice Head Girl of DLDAB Model School, Shalimar Bagh, I hereby pledge that I will abide by the school rules and do my duty with utmost diligence and sincerity and keep the school's flag high. I stand here as a leader, not just to lead you, but to work in collaboration with each one of you to achieve the best of our school. I promise to work hard with all the zeal, devotion, and determination. I will try my best and work persistently for the excellence of our school. At last, I would like to express my gratitude towards our school principal, all the teachers, and the student aspirants who put trust in my ability to lead and produce results. I assure you that I will leave no stone unturned to make our school scale the heights of success. Thank you.
Over to you, Drishti.
Now, it's time to call upon the house captains who are full of enthusiasm and zeal, of innovative ideas, and at the right hand of our house in charges to address the gathering.
Greetings to everyone. Today, I, Elisha Chofla, Captain of Courage House, hereby pledge to be kind and respectful towards every being and abide by the rules and regulations of the school. I promise to discharge my duties well and participate in all the activities with full enthusiasm. Thank you.
Greetings of the day, everyone. My name is Yagi Goel, the captain of Peace House. I will stay as a fair and confident leader. I will act as a good decision maker and always make sure I take everyone's opinions and ideas. I can stand by always following the school values. I will stay truly responsible towards my duty, whereas I have a clear vision to make our house more effective for the members. Thank you.
It is rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. Greetings to one and all. I, Srishti Gupta, the captain of Prosperity House, is here today. I would like to thank our dear in charge, Mrs. Monica Malik, for entrusting me with such a big responsibility. I assure you that I will prove myself as an asset for the Senate. Investure ceremony is one of the most important ceremonies of our school, a traditional feature of DLDAV Model School, eagerly awaited by all the students of the school. Council. Year after year, it reminds us the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly elected cabinet, turning the mantle of responsibility towards them. I personally oath to carry forward the legacy of Prosperity House to always shine bright and blue. Thank you, everyone.
Greetings of the day, everyone. I, Dipanshi, Captain of Integrity House from 12th B. I will serve for the school and make the flag of Integrity House a float high. I will try to uphold and obey the rules. I will assist teachers and students in any way possible to the best of my abilities. I will ensure active participation of the students in our house as per their talent and skill. This will enhance their confidence and competence in the students of our house. Thank you.
Hanji Tushar.
Leadership is all about vision, responsibility, and positive influence of one life over another. And united, we have the power to bring a positive change and have a useful impact over others. But as Mother Teresa rightly said, we alone cannot change the world, but we can cast a stone across the water to create many ripples. The Student Council believes that it's never too late, and we all have the capability and ambition in our eyes to transform the world into a better place. Here, we present before you the Council Anthem. Together, we can change the world.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I believe it's not too late. Together we can change the world. Lay the puzzle pieces out. Find out what it's all about. Together we can change the world. Can't do it by myself, so I'm asking for your help. Together we can change the world. Sail past where it's been charted. Roll your sleeves up, let's get started. Together we can change the world. Together we can change the world.
With our hands and with our hearts, we can dare to make a start. Together we can change the world. What if we spoke with one voice, knowing that we have a choice? Together we can change the world.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे